Hey guys, this is Chris with Paragon Inspection, and today I wanted to show you some findings that we came across in regards to termites. So sometimes people elect to skip a termite inspection. Most people elect to have one, and that's really the wise decision. Even when they're not always obvious on the outside of the home, sometimes there's some areas inside of the home where they will present themselves that some folks may not necessarily think to look in these areas. So on the exterior of the home I'm at today, no visible signs per se of termites, but when you get inside and start looking around in some of these areas, such as this closet, if you'll see these areas right here, that is actually a termite tube, mud tube. And these are also areas where termites are coming through the sheetrock in this closet. It just gives evidence of the fact that this structure needs to be treated and need to get those guys out of here. So when it's time for your next inspection, give us a shout. We'd love to help you, and we'll keep an eye out to make sure whatever home you're purchasing is termite free. Take care and have a great day. Call us at 281-766-9212. Bye-bye.